Hello everybody, today we're gonna be replacing the lower control arm in my 2011 Kia Soul. If you see, there's a new one over there. So go this way. You see that ball joint over there. The reason I'm removing it, because if you seen the bushing back there is broken and it's making noises every time we get a speed bump or something in the street, the road. So the first thing we're gonna do, I'm going to remove the ball joint bolts. This one over here. I'm gonna be use two 14mm sockets to get it out. I already had it loose, so taking it out. Let's pull the bolt out. Right there. This one went out pretty easy, which is good. So now I'm going to remove this one down here. That's with a 17mm socket. You're gonna lose that one right now. Okay, something I found when I was removing this bolt. You see the transmission cover back there? It's gonna be in your way. So what I did, I put my jack underneath the transmission attachment and push it up a little so that way I can have some room to get this bolt out. Well, that's a funny design. Just to let you know what I did. So, but now I got enough clearance to get it out. It didn't take too much. It was just a little. I already had it out. She's right here. So now I'm going to remove this one back here. This one I'm gonna use a 19mm socket and has a nut on top right here. We're gonna be using a 19mm wrench to hold that nut to get it out. You see, got a wrench on top and the ratchet in the bottom. So it's kind of hard to hold to get it out while holding the camera at the same time, but at least you have a good idea of how to get it out. I already got it loose, so it's gonna not finishing taking the nut out. Yeah, this one's it's not bad shape. It's pretty good. Didn't have too much corrosion. It's pretty clean. I mean, it has some, but that's normal. So now I'm gonna use this tool to get the ball joint out. So I'm gonna put it over here and pry it down. I already got a tool in. It's like a fork. So what we're gonna do, it's gonna pry it down, probably hit it with a hammer or something, just to get it removed from there. I mean, I didn't put any pants or oil, but you can do it, make your life easier. Okay, if you've seen this piece over here, it's like a clamp. I just open it a little, but it was this. You see the corrosion, so I found out to put it like this way, like this, and hitting it up, it went down pretty easier. So I already got it out. So now I'm gonna pull the old low control arm out. It's finally out. If you seen, that was the noise it was making while running. Right there, you see the bushing's broken. See the separation right there. Yeah, that creates play on it. So every time you get a bump or something, you can hear "kung," the clunking noise. And this one here, you can see the bushing. It's not. It's matched over there. The new one, you see the difference. So now I'm gonna slide this one in. Get this bushing out was hard. So I'm pretty sure to put this one in, it's gonna be the same way. I use a mallet to get it out, so it's probably gonna use a mallet to put it back together. So don't be scared to use a mallet. Okay, I already got it aligned. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna use a punch or a screwdriver, whatever I have available right now. The first thing I'm gonna find to align the holes here and here before put the ball joint in. Good. Yeah, just gonna put that first. Just do bolts first and tie them. Well, gonna tie everything at the end together. Everything has to be about driving height. If not, you would kill the bushings earlier. Okay, I haven't done tight yet. Let's just knock them. This one too. This knot with the knot on top. And what I did to put the ball joint, I just outlined it the most perfect I can. And then use the jack. And then just put the jack underneath here and put some pressure. Just went in. So now I'm gonna put the jack again to get positive pressure, and I'm gonna tighten this bolt first, and then the last two over there. So that will be it. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. I'm not showing them how to tie them, so just verify your maintenance manual for your proper torque. But that's how you remove the lower control arm and install it back. So don't forget to tie yours. I just put my mindset right now. So have a good day, everyone. Thank you very much. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe.